Are you ready to get started with Oyster, but not sure where to begin? In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to hit the ground running with this powerful platform. Whether you're looking to streamline your team's HR functions or automate your hiring process, Oyster makes it easy to manage your global workforce, and I'll show you how. First things first, Oyster is a global employment platform that helps businesses hire, onboard, and manage remote teams no matter where they're located. What sets Oyster apart from other tools is how it simplifies compliance, payroll, and benefits for international teams, which can often be a headache for growing businesses. And the best part? You can get started completely for free through the exclusive link in the description below, along with some bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Once you sign up, the dashboard is your command center. This is where you'll set up your teams, manage documents, track performance, and even ensure compliance across different countries. It's designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to remote work management, you won't feel overwhelmed. The first thing you'll want to do is invite your team members. You can easily add employees by entering their email address, and Oyster will send them an invitation to join your company on the platform. After that, you'll need to set up your company profile with your location and other relevant details. Don't worry, Oyster automatically adjusts to the tax and legal requirements of the countries where your employees are based, so it saves you a lot of headaches down the line. Next, let's talk about payroll. Oyster offers automated payroll processing for remote teams, ensuring that employees are paid on time in their preferred currency and with the correct tax deductions. No more manual calculations or worrying about whether you're in compliance with local laws. Oyster takes care of all of that for you. All you have to do is add your team's details, select their pay frequency, and let the system do its magic. Another standout feature is the benefits management. With Oyster, you can offer your employees health insurance, retirement plans, and other benefits tailored to their location. The software takes care of the compliance checks for you, ensuring that the benefits are in line with the regulations of each country your employees are in. So, whether you have a team in the US or a team in the UK, Oyster handles it seamlessly. Don't forget to check out the performance management tools. Oyster has features to track employee goals, conduct performance reviews, and ensure that your team stays engaged and aligned with the company's objectives. You'll also have access to reporting features that help you make data-driven decisions about your team's performance. By now, you're probably wondering how to actually implement everything you've learned here. Don't worry, Oyster provides detailed resources, including tutorials, webinars, and customer support, to make sure you never feel lost. There's also a community of users who share tips, tricks, and best practices, which is a great way to learn and grow with the platform. Remember, you can get started completely for free by using the first link below, and you'll even get access to an exclusive extended free trial. So, take action today and start using Oyster to manage your remote team effortlessly. Whether you're an HR professional or a business owner, Oyster is a game changer in making global employment simpler. Don't forget to take full advantage of our exclusive bonuses by signing up through the link below. You'll be on your way to managing your global workforce like a pro in no time.